Alrighty, I'm gonna get inside here. Alrighty, take a little ride in this car. BMW is famous for their 6-cylinder motors. Goes back to when they were building aircraft engines, and a straight 6 was a lot more aerodynamic than a radial engine. This car's got very, very low miles on it, about 23,000, and been stored for quite a while, but it's a beautiful car, long wheelbase. The 7 Series is the top of the pyramid, and absolutely just a beautiful car to own and to enjoy. We want to thank you for joining us, and we wanted to have some silence there so you could hear the motor and how quiet the car is. And with this long wheelbase, this would be a wonderful car to travel in. Thanks again, and good bidding.